Hello, greetings from Boonri TV. Today's news alert is Samantha's new boyfriend? After being together for 4 years, Chesam are now separated. As soon as the duo announced their divorce, it broke thousands of their fans' hearts. Soon after that, many rumors are being spread about Samantha. News like about her ex-boyfriend and news link ups with others. Who is this new man in Samantha's life? I'll tell you. This time, Samantha's name is linked up with her stylist, Pritham Jukalkar. There are rumors that he was the ground reason for Chesam's divorce. But why are there rumors about them? Because of a recent photo of Samantha and her stylist, which gave fire to talkers. But to make this thing clear to everyone, he came forward. He says that Chaitanya could have put an end to the link-up rumors between him and Samantha with a statement. I have known Chaitanya for years. In an interview to the Times of India, Pritham Jukalkar revealed that he is upset with the stoic silence of Naga Chaitanya. I feel that he would have spoken up and told people not to comment like that. He revealed that Samantha is like her sister and calls her Gigi. He said, "Everybody knows that I call Samantha Gigi, which is a North Indian term for sister. How can there possibly be a link up between us?" Pritham, who has been a victim of malicious trolling ever since Chesam announced their separation, says it has taken an emotional toll on his mental health. He told the publication that his DMs are filled with threats and abuses, and strangers threatening to destroy his career. He further spoke of taking a stand for Samantha and maintained standing by her in such tough times. According to several reports, Samantha was offered 200 crore for alimony by Akineni. However, Samantha refused to accept this amount. She said she doesn't need Chaitanya's money. Also, she has an upcoming movie in the pipeline.